Hi there, welcome grade 5. Today we are going to talk about soil components, identify the parts of the soil, and differentiate between the soil components. Ready? I hope so. Let's start. Okay, they are different, of course, soil they are different in color and texture according to the elements and the mineral salts inside it. And the texture for the soil may be smooth, rough, rocky, granular, whatever the texture, whatever the color, the soil, it's a thin, non-compacted upper layer cover the earth's crust. So here's the soil components. As you can see, pieces of rocks as sand, clay, minerals, gravels, and water, air, silt, and humus. So gravel, sand, silt, this is pieces of rocks. Air, mud, water in this layer, and the humus at the top of the layer. So let's find the definition for humus. What is humus? Humus, it's the decayed remains of animals or plants mixed with the soil, and its color is dark brown or black. So when I ask you give reason, the color for soil is dark brown. So the reason is due to the color of humus, which is dark brown or black. So it's dark or it's black or dark brown because the humus exists in the soil. What is the importance of soil? The importance of soil, it's an important for the plant growth. It's very important for plant growth. If there is no soil, there is no plant. And also important for making food for animals and humans. You know that humans and animals depend on plant to get the food. And also it provides shelter for some living organisms, which are the spiders, earthworms, insects, ants, all of these. So sometimes soil erosion occurs to the soil. It's a problem, but it's the factors that affected the soil erosion, running water, wind, and change of temperature. All these factors cause breaking down of rocks. So running water, wind, change temperature breaks down the rocks into small pieces, causing the soil erosion. So when I ask you, give reason, running water cause soil erosion. What will be the answer? The answer will be because water breaks down rocks into small pieces. But when I ask you, wind cause soil erosion, what will be the answer? Because winds break down rocks into small pieces, cause soil erosion, and as well change temperature also breaks down rocks by time, cause soil erosion. And the soil layers and living organisms that live in this layer, let's find the relation between the living organisms and the layer. You know that no humus in the rocky layer, which is the last layer, and also the lower soil layer don't have much humus, but the much humus exists in the top layer. So at the top soil layer, here is the humus and also roots of plant and leaves, sand, clay, and small pieces of rocks can found in this part, and also the insects as earthworms and spiders. So let's talk first about the roots of plant. The roots of plant in the topsoil layer, and you know that the importance of the roots help the plant to be cohesive, which means non-compacted, and also prevent the soil erosion and provide soil with nutrients. And the importance for the plant, fix the plant in the soil and also absorb water and mineral salts from the soil. Let's talk about leaves importance. The leaves also it's a part of the plant. When it fall to the soil, they decayed, forming humus. As I mentioned, The humus, it's a decayed remains of plants and animals. And ants and other insects, you know that the insects digging tunnels as earthworms, spiders, ants, other insects, all of them dig tunnels in the soil. The earthworms and spiders dig tunnels because they make homes under the ground. So it will allow the air and water and the nutrients as well to pass easily through the soil. So it's important for soil. And also ants and other insects, they dig tunnels in the soil to make nests or lay eggs. So the importance for ants and insects to the soil, when these animals die, their bodies decay, forming super humus. That's right. It's a simple lesson. Just talk about the soil components and what is the importance for each part. We have finished the lesson. I hope you got it. Thank you for listening.